Garlic is delicious. I usually add more garlic to a recipe than what's written, and if a savory recipe doesn't have garlic as an ingredient, I assume they made a mistake. Now, garlic usually is quickly heated to bring out the flavor, but if you roast garlic, it becomes sweet and creamy. Roasted garlic only takes 2 ingredients. You'll need a whole head of garlic and olive oil. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and cut the top off the head of the garlic only about 1/4 of an inch off. Place your garlic on aluminum foil and drizzle with 1 to 2 teaspoons of olive oil over the garlic. Make sure it's completely covered in the oil. Wrap the garlic tightly in aluminum foil and bake for 45 minutes. You can start checking the garlic around 35 to 40 minutes depending on the size of your head. You'll know it's done when a fork pierces the top of the head with no resistance and comes out easily. To get to the cloves, all you have to do is squeeze out the cloves from the bottom and they should come out like a creamy paste. Roasted garlic is great to just spread on toast to make garlic toast or to add to hummus. But one of my favorite ways is to add it into mashed potatoes. Now that's delicious. Peel and boil your potatoes starting with a cold pot of salted water. Once the potatoes are easily pierced with a fork, drain off the water and return back to the hot pot. Mash in warm cream and butter until you've reached your desired consistency. Stir in roasted garlic and salt and pepper to taste. Perfection. You can store your roasted garlic in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks. Roasted garlic is a great make-ahead dish. You can pop in the garlic head to roast while other things are roasting. This is a great condiment to have so you can enjoy every single bite. For more tips and recipes and entertaining ideas, check out my website, biteswithapplewhite.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss an episode.